ANCA over 50 years. It really is very, very difficult to think that 50 years have gone past from when Pat McCluskey and I started used to building a computerised control. The story of the 50 years have got many turns and twists on it. It certainly wasn't a straight path, but we've been very fortunate to capture waves of technology. You know, when you look at our software, which is on our machines today, the depth of sophistication of the 3D modelling, of the optimisation, it's unthinkable 50 years ago when you looked at the computer technology which was available, going from 4 kilobytes of storage to a single chip having 80 billion gates on it. And we've been able to ride that technology wave through the years. Sometimes when I look at what comes from our machines, I find it almost impossible. When we look at nanometer control, asking the machine to step a thousandth of a micron and seeing it faithfully step that, and all the technology which is underpinning that control. For example, you know, each of the servo drives has got far more processing available in each servo drive than was available in the whole system when we started. You know. Some things remain the same over the 50 years. The requirements and skill of the operators is still important. What is different, I suppose, is that the modern machines amplify the skill of the operator. So you still need a very smart person programming the machines, but his output is multiplied enormously compared to what was available 50 years ago.